This video tutorial will help you to develop technology proficiencies using Infinity. It will specifically show you how to set up your gradebook. To begin using your gradebook, launch Internet Explorer. You will be taken to the District Home Staff page. Start Infinity and type in your username and password. Initial users are going to want to complete the entire process that I show you. Previous users, if you are changing any of your grading policies, you will also want to complete the entire process that I'm about to demonstrate. If you are using previous policies, you can skip this initial introduction of setting up your grading event category and grading scales. You'll want to begin by setting up grading event categories. If it is not visible on your task panel, go to Show All, and within the grading category, look for Grading Event Category Personal. Determine the categories you want for student assessments. For example, formative, summative, homework, quizzes, tests, projects, etc. If you do not see any of the categories that you want here, simply click on the Add button, type in the description that you'd like to add, for example, summative. Click on Save, and you will see it added to the list. When you're finished and have the list created exactly the way you want it, click on the Home button. Once you've created all of your desired categories, you will need to set up your grading scale. Again, if it's not visible on your Home task panel, go to Show All, and within the grading categories, go to Grading Scale. If you have different grading scales for different classes, click on Add. I'm going to create one called Example. If you weight your grades, click on the Weighted button. I will warn you that weighting grades does cause some issues at semester time because you'll end up having to weight your 2 quarters, and then that weights weighted grades, and that can cause issues. For example, a student could literally earn a B quarter 1, a B quarter 2, and end up with a B minus or a grade lower than what they earned in each of the quarters due to weighting weighted grades. Click on the Next button when you're ready, and then simply fill in the grading scale. An A plus is 99, an A is 93, and I'm just clicking my Tab button in between each of these keystrokes. 90, 87, 83, 80, a C plus is 77, 73, 70, 67, 63, 60, and an F you're going to want to put a 0 in there. Click on Next and close. So at this point, you have a grading category and grading scale created for your gradebook. Click on the Home button, and at this point, we now need to create a grading period for your class. You're going to go to the gradebook, select the class that you'd like to add a grading period, and this is something that you will do at the beginning of every single quarter for each of your classes. You'll click Add and give it a description. This is the beginning of quarter 4, so you can call it quarter 4, or you can call it 4th quarter, whatever you would like. The default grading period, if you have that box checked, that means anytime you open the gradebook, it will automatically go to this grading period. Select the grading scale that you want chosen, raw points, or I had the example one as well, and then select your date range. This is 4th quarter, and click Save. And now we have that available to us. I'm going to close this down for just 1 second. I'm going to go to a different class here in this teacher's book, and I want you to see how if you select, I'm going to go back there for just a second. If you click on the grading period, now you can see that if you need to switch back and forth between the quarters within the semester, you can select to look at grades in either 3rd or 4th quarter there.